Man, I tell you, what a night. Freaking rain got the whole car dirty. Like, all of this is like filthy. This is bad. Jeez. Just sitting over my car. Not really something I'm gonna want to keep, or maybe just keep for just in case next time. I got these from the airline. We went flying. Came back from our vacation, so not too big. I'm gonna wash this car before I even leave. Might rain again. Hopefully not. I'm gonna check the forecast. Did a little shower not too long ago, but I think it's about done. I am not gonna sit here and let my car be dirty. It's hard to let it stay dirty. It's hard. So, all right, yeah, I'll go ahead and get it all cleaned up, and we're gonna get started. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and make me a pot of coffee also, because I am like want some coffee so bad. I am really craving some coffee for some reason, because you know me, I love coffee. All right, so carrying it on, let's head in. All clean, nice, yes, beautiful, beautiful. Go start. Anyways, let's get ready to make it. Got all these cords hanging out everywhere. Did I grab my? No, I didn't. Oven in the house. Oh well. I'm not gonna spaz out about it. I got another charger adapter. Get it out. I put that in my bag. I'll put it in when I get to work. Ooh, she sounds good. Very throaty. So hurts. As I went into the gas station, I got water spots on my car. It hurts my feelings. This line is so long. Why'd you go back the other way? sucks. I was hoping to have some fun on the way home. Guess not. Go start. And this really sucks that it is raining out here. I don't like the fact that it's raining. I wanted to actually, you know what I mean. Alright, it really sucks. But for everybody out here, I try to keep it up. Try to keep my videos up more frequent. I'm trying to do better on it. I want this to be a career. I love doing this. I love uploading videos for y'all. Thank you so much for the subscribers. Thank you so much for the subscribers. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and checking it out. I really appreciate y'all watching. Also, a big shout out to a good friend of mine, Noir TM. He actually helped me out along the way, gave me some good tips, so I really appreciate him. Really appreciate every information I got from him. He's awesome. So if y'all want, check out his channel. I'll leave it in the description. I'll link in the description so y'all can visit his channel. Great guy. Awesome. Just the beauty. I mean, she still is clean, but I just like washed it this morning. That's what makes it even more frustrating. I just like to say. So one of the other things I just found out actually is my package won't be in until next week, so I gotta wait again. No, but yes, it will be in next week. It really sucks, man. It really sucks. And I was actually hoping to find somebody to do some carpools on the highway on the way home, which I may start recording some when I do get in some pulls. Sucky part is like the times that I do get in a pool and race with somebody, like it really sucks because I don't have my camera up at the moment, and I was like, crap, I can't, and I'm already gone. So, I will start doing that for y'all. Start posting clips. If I do catch those, I will start posting the clips on my Instagram. Also, I will start doing on my videos, my vlogs. So so y'all can see like if I get some W's or get some L's. I know they're gonna be quite a few. I'll get some L's on. Hello, is anybody there? Oh, y'all paying attention? Do y'all see me? Okay, I just want to make sure my audience see me, of course. Yes. And there's a Challenger. Where you going? Sorry to leave y'all hanging. This really sucks. But hey, I actually want to, what pace will be easy for me to upload vlogs. My go-to is trying to be on a Tuesday and Friday. It was Tuesday and Thursday, but sometimes I can't make it to a Thursday, upload it by Thursday. So I'm trying to do it for Tuesdays and Fridays, whatever it works out. I still want to continue to upload to y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate the subscribes. Thank you. Let's try to bring this channel up. It's bad to do this. Excuse me. It's bad to do this. I'm already ordering me food on my way home. I'm hungry. Really bad. Yes. As I'm waiting, I'm going to give y'all a little preview.